Package dimensions: 1.27 cms, L, by 2.54 cms, W, by 1.27 cms, H. Product type: auto part. Package quantity: 1. Country of origin: China. Genuine Honda 79581S84A01 temperature and fan knob. This is the official genuine Honda parts replacement part for your vehicle. Top reviews from the United States. Different from what's on my 99 Accord, but works the same. This appears to be a genuine Honda part going by the bag packaging. Honda only has one part number on file for this style knob, so there must have been a revision along the way because the knob in my Accord had a slightly different back. Thank this new part.